Hey, welcome back to my GitHub series. And as you know, it's so important to be literate in GitHub because as a developer, in order to procure jobs, you need to know GitHub very well. So in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to delete your repository, because you've made your first repository, or you've made some repositories, but there's some repository that you want to get rid of. You don't want the whole world to see. So how do you get rid of it? I'll be showing you here. And do not forget to smash that subscribe button so that you can watch more such tutorials for GitHub series. Okay, so today I just grabbed this repository, Hello World, in my GitHub, and I want to get rid of it because I'm not happy with this repository. I don't want to edit it. I just want to get rid of it. So what do? I open that repository, then I go to my settings, click my settings. Under the settings, you will see the following. Keep scrolling down until you reach the danger zone. Okay, where are we now? Okay, keep on scrolling down. Keep on scrolling down. Well, be patient. There you go, the danger zone. So this is where you have the feature, you have the button to delete your repository. There you go, delete the repository. So just click on that. Now you'll get a warning like, I really want to delete it. Then you'll get other warnings like, I've read this warning and all sort of things, because they want to make sure that you want to delete it. That's why they're giving you this warning message. So in order to confirm, they also want you to confirm. So in order to confirm, you have to write this again in the dashboard, in the box, the name of the repository. So in this case, it's Piraman07, the name of my account, / the name of the repository, which is Hello World in this case. Yeah, so you could be deleting any one of your repositories. So then after that, I again click on delete the repository. Click, but it's not happening. You know why? I just realized it. This is an invisible one. Meaning in a repository you have the feature to make it visible to the public or invisible. So I need to change the visibility. I go here and change the visibility, which is again inside the danger zone. There you go. Now when I do it, make this repository public. So now you check, okay, your repository is public. You can check that again. Just go down again in the settings and you can check the visibility, whether it's private or public, because initially it was set to private, because you can set it private or public, but whenever you want to change the status like delete or archive, you need to change it back to public. So there you go. Let me check there. Change repository. Okay, this is public already. So this repository is public. It's showing you. Now I again come. There you go. There you go. It's public already. So now I go here to delete the repository. Again, the same set of warnings and confirmation messages would come. I've read and I want to confirm and blah, blah. So to confirm, I need to do the same thing. I'm supposed to write the account name / the repository name. This is for confirming that I want to delete it, because I want to make sure that you're not doing it by mistake, that you've made up your mind. So that's the idea. Yeah, sometimes you might do it by mistake or somebody else might do it by mistake. So that's why this precaution, whole set of precautions. So now delete, press on delete this repository. There you go. Now it's showing the red button, delete. There you go. It's done and it's already confirms your repository has been successfully deleted. They're already showing you a notification. There in blue, you can see here above the blue bar where they're showing it above all your repositories. So it's successfully deleted and you get the notification. There you go, successful, and smash that subscribe button again.